You've been manifesting wrong. Here's the universe's real secret language. Chapter 1. Why Manifestation Feels Hard. Hi, I'm so glad you're here. Right off the bat, let's admit it. Manifestation can feel frustrating, can't it? You've been following the law of attraction steps, repeating affirmations, doing vision boards, and yet somehow life still isn't matching your dreams. I know this feeling well because I've been there myself. For years, I tried to force the universe to deliver what I wanted. I thought manifestation was about saying the right words at the right time. Spoiler, it isn't. Here's the first secret the universe isn't handing out in a TikTok tutorial. Manifestation is not about doing more, it's about aligning with your energy. Think about it. When you're anxious, rushing, or doubting yourself, are you a magnet for your dreams? Not really. You're more like a signal that's slightly scrambled. Sprinkle visualization. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine tension and resistance leaving your body. Feel yourself settling into a calm, open space where your energy can actually match your desires. Even this small release starts the alignment process. So if you've been manifesting wrong, it's probably because your energy isn't speaking the same language as the universe yet. And don't worry, that's exactly why we're here. Chapter 2. Understanding the universe's secret language. Now, let's talk about this so-called secret language. You might be imagining some mystical code only high-level gurus can crack. But here's the thing. The universe speaks in vibrations, emotions, and beliefs, not in Instagram captions. Every thought, feeling, and belief you have sends a signal. Are you sending clarity, abundance, and trust? Or are you sending fear, scarcity, and frustration? Your manifestations aren't failing because the universe is against you. They're failing because your inner frequency isn't matching your desires. Here's a small trick I started using. I noticed that when I felt impatient, my manifestations stalled. But when I relaxed, trusted, and focused on how good it would feel to receive what I wanted, things started moving. Sprinkle visualization. Take a breath. Imagine your desires as a soft, glowing light in front of you. Now visualize your own energy gently surrounding that light. Calm, trusting, and welcoming. Feel your vibration syncing with it. Notice how your chest softens, your mind quiets, and that resistance slowly melts away. This is the real secret language. Alignment, not action, first. Chapter 3. Why you've been manifesting the wrong things. So why exactly have you been manifesting the wrong things? Let me share some common traps. Number 1. Chasing outcomes instead of energy. You can want something intensely, but if your thoughts are mixed with doubt, scarcity, or fear, you're creating friction. Number 2. Overdoing the rituals. Vision boards, affirmations, scripting, all of these are tools, but doing them mechanically without feeling is like playing music without listening to the rhythm. Number 3, ignoring inner resistance. That little voice that says, "You don't deserve this," or "It will never happen," that's your subconscious sending conflicting signals to the universe. Here's a personal confession. I spent months scripting every detail of my perfect life while secretly feeling I didn't deserve it. Guess what? Nothing manifested. The universe was reading the energy of doubt, not the words on my page. Sprinkle visualization. Place one hand on your chest. Breathe in deeply. And as you exhale, imagine that self-doubt leaving your body like smoke. Picture it dissolving into the air. Feel how much lighter and freer your energy feels. That's the frequency the universe responds to. Chapter 4. Aligning with your true frequency. Alignment is the key. It's not about manifesting faster. It's about being magnetically ready for what's already coming your way. Here's how I started. Step 1. Awareness. Notice when your energy doesn't match your desire. Are you stressed, impatient, or doubtful? Awareness is the first shift. Step 2. Release resistance. Let go of the shoulds and control. The universe doesn't work on your schedule, it works on your vibration. Number 3. Daily practice. I like to sprinkle micro-visualizations throughout my day, imagining my life flowing effortlessly and trusting the timing. Sprinkle visualization. Imagine a river flowing freely. That's your energy. Don't block it with rocks of fear or stress. Feel your own energy melting into the river, letting it carry you toward what you desire. This gentle surrender is your magnet. Chapter 5. Practical Mindful Manifestation Techniques. Let's get practical. Here are 3 techniques that actually work without forcing or overthinking. 1. Emotion-first scripting. Instead of writing what you want, write how you want to feel. Focus on joy, freedom, peace, or abundance. Energy is everything. 2. Micro-visualizations. Short, frequent sessions. Even 30 seconds of imagining your life flowing effortlessly will retrain your subconscious. 3. Affirmation alignment. Replace I want with I am. Example, I am worthy of receiving abundance, instead of I want abundance. Feel it as truth. Sprinkle visualization. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Imagine opening your hands and receiving your desires effortlessly. Feel gratitude already filling you. Let this sensation linger for a few moments. The universe responds to this state, not to desperate pleading. Chapter 6. Trust, Surrender, and Daily Practice. Finally, let's wrap this up with the most overlooked secret. Trust and surrender. Manifestation isn't magic. It's a partnership. You do your inner work, align your energy, release resistance, and then let go. Stop micromanaging the universe. I promise you, the moment you relax into this flow, things start showing up. Maybe not immediately, not exactly how you imagined, but they come, aligned, perfect, and often better than you could plan. Sprinkle visualization. Picture your desire as a balloon. Hold it lightly in your hands. Feel yourself letting it float, trusting that the universe will carry it where it's meant to go. Smile at this image because surrender is not giving up. It's tuning in to the secret language that actually works. In closing, thank you for listening to You'd Been Manifesting Wrong. Here's the universe's real secret language. If this audiobook helped you release resistance, align your energy, or simply understand the universe's secret language, hit subscribe for more guided manifestation stories and replay this anytime you need to realign. Remember, manifestation isn't about forcing. It's about feeling, trusting, and releasing. You've got this.